iPhone battery pack. You will need a case with one of these magnet attachments. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. There's instructional. You have a charger port. Wow, very nice and slick, not too big. Let's see if it's pre-charged out of the box. You see how it matches up and it's not going to slide out. Is it charging? 16%. iPhone can be charged to approximately 90% while using MagSafe battery pack. So now the test, will it fall off? It's not going to fall off. What if we hold it by this end? It's not going to fall off. As long as you have this magnetic case with that, it sits in there super well. You know what? I think it tells us how charged this power bank is. I think it's not charged at all. It takes a regular iPhone charger and it turns orange light and it turns off when it's fully charged. Now let's plug it in. Beautiful. I have charged my phone also, 88% charge on green, and it's a fully charged power bank as well. So that is nice. You see it? Full, and it says charging. You see right here, there's charging, lightning strike. Beautiful. I really like it. It's not going to come off. It sits in there really tight. Obviously I won't even be doing that to my phone, and it's also very comfortable in my hand. Look at that. This is iPhone 13. This right here, propane tank gauge for your grill. As you can see, there's a little cover, protective cover when it's not in use, and it goes onto your grill as well. So this is how it works. We're gonna open this one up, then we're going to plug it in here and plug it into a tank. So as you can see, super simple. Okay, and then we're gonna plug it in, and you see how it jumped up. Still on green, but not all the way full. Soon we'll have to refill it, but slowly we're gonna cook, it will drop down. At least we know before we start cooking how much gas have left. Adjustable hook allows you to adjust your line to any length. So let's open it. So don't have to cut it, just flip it open. Wow, that looks nice and solid. So this is what going to hold the line. We're just gonna put through the rope, and this will going to bite into it. You see, 2 layer teeth, actually 3. There's a third one on the inside. Here's an example. This rope is a little bit too thick. You pull on that lock up and then put it through the rope and then push it all the way. Initial setup takes a little bit, and then push it through and adjust it as much as you need. Then you hook it up to a dock or whatever. This needs to be pushed up a lot lower like this, and then you see it sets in and it will hold. For the extra safety, you can put it through here, and I can make a knot over here. Or maybe even couple knots. Makes sense, right? So that way, in case it does slip through here, it has another little loop that will hold it. So makes it really easy to set up the rope and easily adjust it. Take off the knot, take off from here. If you need to adjust it more, look how easy and smooth it is. Goes through this way, and then you want to set it, and as you can see, it's going to hold it really tight. It does not go through. And then if you lift it, that little latchet, it will come off really easily. I think it's a little bit thick rope. Much thinner rope will work even better. Here's the ideal rope measurements for this little hook. Got it here, 2-in-1 lighter and permanent match. Let's see what I'm talking about. So first of all, you have a spin right here, and also you can pull this out like a little match with the little striker and I think some kind of fibers, and there's a flint right here, and then you have a really powerful flint right here. Even if you're out of lighter fluid, that flint is nice to have too. The lighter fluid will go in here, and then we're going to close it off. Comes with the extra part and a tool and a couple of the flints. And close it back up. Okay, then we can take this off and 2-in-1, this one I'm talking about. Oh, nice. Kind of laid light up. That's cool. Wow, that's powerful. So that's what called permanent match, because you can use it again and again, as long as you have the lighter fluid. Then you can plug it in back in here, soak it up, and open it back again and stack it again, and you have a little lighter match. And if you want a regular lighter, spark it right here, you have nice soft flame. Got right here titanium toothpick holder. So open this up and spin it and flip it over. And what would you use it for? First of all, just like a toothpick, and the other uses very useful for is taking out splinter and things like that. So beautiful. This is what it looks like, as big as my finger, and the pick about half of my finger. Very cool, nice, sharp. And then untwist it. It has 2 rubbers in here to keep it from water going in here, so pretty waterproof. Put it in, boom. Comes with one of these cleaning brushes, and there's a little keychain, like a very small and lightweight, and I love keychain gadgets on my keys, at least one. That would be a good option for me. We got it here, lemon juicer. It's a twist lemon juicer, so you have a lot of leverage to juice a lemon. There's an instruction. It comes with one of these measuring cups, and it's going to hold in here while we're twisting the juice. It kind of locks in. Okay, grab our lemon, cut it in half, put the lemon in, and I think it will catch the seeds too. Okay, put it like this and twist it all the way down. You see it touches here. Wow, that's a lot of lemon juice just out of a half a lemon, so it juices it really well. So just plug it in and twist, and for the video purposes I'll show you how much juice coming out. Wow, that's cool. So you don't have to be plugged in, probably not going to, and then just heat it and it will come out. So let's do this one more time just to show it to you. Again, will it hold on in here pretty good. Plug it in, juice it. Wow, look at that, almost full. And then carefully take it off, open that. You see, don't even have to heat it, just shake it off. And look how much, 1.5 lemons. We got lots of lemon juice. And one last time. I wonder if I could do even more leverage. Wow, yes, we could. That is incredible. So you can go this way, but probably this plenty, a little bit more comfortable. It's all kind of the same anyways. Yeah, it doesn't go any deeper. Yeah, that's a juiced lemon, and that's a lot of lemon juice. Utility torch, let's open it up and see what it's all about. So what gas will it take? This one and this one's, let's find out. So it can go on this one of those camping paintings. So you unspin it right here, and that's it. It's really powerful, you can adjust it. As you can see, it's quite powerful. It's not even on maximum. You can adjust it even with one hand. Very comfortable. And it can go on this one as well. this propane tank I can enjoy better, a little bit more comfortable. Look how powerful that is. And then you can turn it off. The striker really does help a lot. Look at that. Boom. So one-handed, I can do it, no problem. Two-handed, even easier. This is the blowtorch I've been using for many years. It's very useful. I mainly start bonfires and fireplace with that. It is nice. It has a lock for the sparker. Then there is a unlock and you can press it. This is quite helpful for extra safety, and there is a gas regulator. Let's see, can it go on this kind of propane canister? Going well. And what's so nice about this one, it will press and regulate the gas. Why I like this blowtorch a lot, because you press it and start it with one finger. Just adjust this, pre-adjust it, and it's going. That's it. So you don't have to adjust it and then start it. It's all at the same time. This is quite nice and helpful. And this is why it have a safety. And double safety, you just turn off completely the gas. Whenever you adjust the gas, it will not release itself until you turn the safety off and then press the gas. That's it. If it's on a lower mood, it starts every time, as you can see, which is very important how reliable it is to start it. If you do it too high, it starts every time as well. Much higher. I mean. Easy to take it off and replace it. And it goes on this propane as well. Okay, let's go on the dock. It has a very nice grip, and you just adjust it right here with one hand and start it. Very powerful. And then you can adjust it lower. You see, as low as this, or even lower. Quite nice torch and comfortable. I like it that you can just press it on and off whenever you need to use it. And again, one-handed off, and then one-handed safety on. Very good torch. Got it here, bungee body. So it has a little handle. It's a bungee organizer. So let's unbox it. It says right here, one organizer, 8 bungee cords. You can put into it pretty easily. Obviously you could put different kinds. You see how they hooked up like this, and hook it up this way. There's different kind of bungees, some longer, some shorter, as you can see. Bungee cord is very useful in my household. Boom. Especially for the dogs with the gates and stuff like that. Dogs always open up my gates by pushing on it and hitting it, so I use up bungee cords. And for cargo and things like that, it's very useful. So that way they always organized and ready to go. Wrap it around, and looks like I gotta twist off a little bit more. Oh, I guess that's good too. 1, 2, and hook it up. It sits on I guess you don't want it too tight, so that way it doesn't lose its stretchiness. You want it to let it rest when you don't use it. Very cool.